In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an admin from a Facebook business page. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to make sure the right person is removed from your business assets safely. First, you'll need to open Meta Business Suite in your browser. This is Facebook's central hub for managing business pages, ad accounts, and permissions. Make sure you're logged in with a Facebook account that already has full access to the business you're managing. If you manage multiple businesses, double check that you've selected the correct business at the top of the screen so you don't accidentally change the wrong account. Once Meta Business Suite is open and you're in the right business, look for the settings option. This is usually located in the left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where all your core business and access controls are managed. Inside settings, you'll see various sections related to your business. You're interested in the section that shows the people who have access to this business. In this list, admins are typically labeled as people with full control or full access. Take a moment to carefully identify the correct person you want to remove, because removing someone with full control will immediately revoke their access to your pages, ad accounts, and other connected assets. Next, look to the right of the person's name. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots next to the admin you want to remove. A small drop-down menu will appear with a few options related to that person's access. From that menu, select the option that says Remove from Business Portfolio. This is the action that removes their access to the business and its associated assets. When you click it, Facebook may ask you to confirm this change. Review the confirmation message carefully to make sure you've selected the correct person, then confirm the removal. Once you've confirmed, that admin will no longer have access to your Facebook business page or any other assets in that business portfolio. It's a good idea to briefly review your remaining admins and roles to ensure you still have at least one trusted person, preferably yourself, with full control so you don't get locked out. And that's it. You've successfully removed an admin from your Facebook business page using Meta Business Suite.